Hey guys, so today I'm reviewing Keratin for Satin Gloss Straight, which is very handy and very effective. So this is what my hair looks like by air drying it. I don't usually straighten my hair from the very roots of my hair, I usually straighten the ends only. After tying the upper part of my hair, I divide the lower part in two sections. It is a 2-in-1 straightener. You can style your hair very easily. It is very portable and very easy to use, and because of its size, it is very handy. It gives amazing result in just one stroke, and you can also see the shiny effect after it because I haven't applied anything before it. Likewise, I'm doing the rest of the hair. You guys can clearly see the difference. I highly recommend this handy and amazing straightener. Totally in love with the end results. Thank you so much for watching, guys.